Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to change country or region on iPhone. So guys, if you're trying to change your country or region on your iPhone but you are getting error on changing region, so in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open the settings and then simply tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have an active internet connection, and then go back and then tap on general and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update your device and then you have to just simply go back and then you have to just simply turn off your VPN, and after that you have to just simply cancel your all subscription of iCloud, and after that guys you have to just simply sign out your Apple ID and then sign in again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply open the settings again and then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you have to just simply tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you have to just simply tap on content and price restriction, simply tap on screen time and then tap on content and price restriction and turn this toggle off, and after that you have to just simply force restart your device for one time, and after that guys hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.